Alright, good morning, guys. I am up wanting some pancakes. So, that is what we are going to have. Some pancakes. 2 eggs. I don't have no milk or anything, so I'm using water. A little vanilla flavor. And some cinnamon browns. And also what I like to add is just a little brown sugar in my mix. That's it. That's it. And it's okay if you make a mess. It's your kitchen. Everything is not going to be perfect. I had to learn that. Yeah, just a little more. Make enough pancakes for everybody. Oh, mama. Put a little eggs, a little flavor, a little brown sugar to make them sweet. I usually would add some bananas or something, or some strawberries or some blueberries. So yeah, it's gonna be some blueberry pancakes with an omelet this morning, and some hash browns, guys, for breakfast. Saturday morning breakfast. Oh, that's gonna be good, y'all. It is Saturday morning. There, a little flavor. Yes. Veggies for my omelet. Rice and spinach is done, and I'm about to pour my eggs in. This is 5 eggs. Turn it down a little bit. The eggs, let it get soft, melty, and creamy and cheesy with the spinach and onions and peppers. Yes. Yes. They work, y'all. Look, sorta, kinda. A little pink Himalayan salt. That's it. Oh, we put a little garlic. Potatoes, hash browns are done. We're just gonna heat that up. Hey guys, this is breakfast. Blueberry pancakes with hash browns and a spinach, pepper, and onion omelet, spinach omelet. Guys, let me give you my haul right fast from Family Dollars. I got me 4 pots, 2 green, 2 burgundy. For my hanging pots, I need some dirt to repot them. I also got some Ajax dish detergent until I go to Sam. I got some easy storage. My baby got that. Almond butter biscuits for my hubby, as well as his oatmeal cream pies and his Reese cup and some paper cupcake holders. I got the confetti with the sprinkles, and I got strawberries. So this is going to come in handy. Let me put this stuff up, and I will be back in a minute. All right, good morning, good morning. I am about to replant my flowers. I have my dirt in my new pots. My flowers, I need to get something to hang them, which I will be getting. But for right now, I will be potting these, repotting them. I got 4 pots for my 4 flowers. First of all, I need to put some drainage holes in these because they don't have any. What do I have? Hammer, and I need a screw or nail. I'm not going to get my toolbox. I can use a screwdriver. All right, give me 1 second. Let me pause, y'all. I'll make some holes. Alright, so I put some holes in the bottom of all of them. I used my screwdriver. I just heated it up, and yeah, they were all $3 from where did I get them from? Aldi's. Yep. Family Dollar was one of them. So I got some dirt. I'm gonna put a little dirt in the bottom. In the bottom of all of them. Hey guys, it is Friday morning, Good Friday, might I add, Good Friday. We are out early. It is, well, it's not too early, but it's like 10:26. Me and hubby is out. We are on our way to Sam's to get a few things for our Easter dinner and things for the house. Yeah, it's been storming all morning. So we tried to wait it out. Hopefully we don't get caught in it. And yeah, so for right now it's okay. For right now it's alright. Look at, oh wait, yeah, that's some sewage, boy. That's why you have to clean them, keep them curbs clean. I'm telling you. You don't do nothing but push a curb, honey. Or blow a curb. At least your sewer by your house. Because that'll mess your house up. That stuff will flood up and bag up in your house. Look at that. All that garbage. Pick it up, pick it up. It's disgusting. Alright guys, so we are on our way to Sam's. I will pick you guys back up when we make it there. Guys, we are here at Cuz getting us something to eat before we go home. We have been to my phone is we've been to Sam's Club, went to Dollar Tree, and now we are here at Cuz getting us something to eat. Honey, we are hungry. Just wanted to show our food, guys. I got a club with fries, and he got, that sure don't look like no double damn steak. Broccoli soup, sorry about that. That's my problem. I got an orange steak. Oh, it tastes like a dreamsicle. Try it. Down there, they don't know it's a candle. Trying to hide that. So yeah, and here go another one. Another one. That's my baby's. Hers. So cute. So cute. And I think I'm gonna put one more thing in their basket. Hold on, guys. Alright guys, we back. Okay. I had to try one of them. They is so good. Alright. I'm done with that, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next one. Tomorrow I will be recording me setting up, starting my Easter meal. So I'm going to be cleaning my ribs and my lamb chops, cutting them up. I might even do some a little later if I get in the mood, honey, so I won't have a lot to do. I might do the lamb chops and the ribs, have them marinated and seasoned, and